Welcome to the Maré House, a residence that epitomizes the relaxed and airy spirit of a typical coastal home. The house is designed with two overlapping volumes, delineated by two wooden slabs that create covered outdoor spaces and eaves for solar protection. From the entrance, visitors are enveloped by two sinuous planes constructed with solid bricks, creating a smooth transition to the adjacent garden. This garden is dominated by an imposing 7-meter-tall Guabiju tree, visible from both the entrance and the upper floor balcony. Continuity is a key element, evidenced by the harmony of ceiling and floor materials that extend from the external area to the internal spaces. The relaxed atmosphere is amplified by the careful selection of loose furniture designed by young Brazilian designers, and the combination of textures ranging from different wood veneers, brushed natural rocks, satin lacquer, stainless steel, leather, straw, and linen in various shades. On the ground floor, you will find the social areas, service areas, and garage. The intimate areas are distributed between the two floors, with one suite on the ground floor and the others on the second floor, including a balcony overlooking the front lot. The living room, facing the rear of the property with a view of the lake, embodies an atmosphere of warmth and serenity, reflecting the intentional integration with nature through the palette of primary materials present throughout the project. In terms of functionality, the use of concealed built-in appliances is a strategy adopted to create a sense of massiveness in the preparation area, promoting a shared experience during family and friends' culinary moments, so characteristic of weekends at the beach. Technology is employed subtly yet effectively, with lighting, curtain, and sound automation, as well as high-performance windows, appliances, sanitary ware, and metalware, all aimed at optimizing the comfort of the home's users. In summary, the Maré House transcends the concept of a simple seaside dwelling, incorporating elements of design, comfort, and integration with nature to provide a unique and memorable experience for its occupants. Thank you for joining us on this home tour. See you on the next tour.